and happy Motivational Monday. Coming at you live from my VIP room. It's Master Trainer Jennifer Nicole Lee. Now, if you're already a member, congratulations. I'm going to also be speaking to our non-members out there because you need a JOLT of JNL daily. Daily. A motivational spank in the butt. Okay? Brooke, what is up? I'm so excited about today. We're going live at 8 a.m. with It's a Wonderful Life, one of the most amazing Christmas classics. It's a story similar to Scrooge where actually an angel called Clarence Oddbody comes to James Stewart, who is playing the character of George Bailey. He was a good doer. He was doing good for everybody, but he was getting the short end of the stick. He was helping everybody around him, but nobody was thanking him. So he went right there and he's looking down over the bridge, about to commit suicide, jumping into the icy waters before, voila, an angel by the name of Clarence Oddbody comes in and says, wait, let me show you what your life would be like if you did not exist. And when he took him, he was astounded at how much positive things that he made happen in his life. Even though he was still getting the short end of the stick, his town was like full of speakeasies and bars and all that, and all of his loved ones are all corrupt. So it goes to show you that you have the choice daily, and when you believe in angels, they appear, and every time a bell rings, an angel gets its wings. I really feel like my VIPs in our group, we're getting our wings daily. Our halos are growing, our wings are growing, because we're doing almost like angelic work here in this world. We're taking the higher road. We're not living a toxic lifestyle. We're not getting caught up in the low vibrational gossip and soap operas and negativity and jealousy. But no, we're actually working on our goals, working on ourselves. Okay, so working on 2020 vision. I'm so grateful that we are always changing our results in advance, because it's easy to fall in the trap of why me, pity me, let me just go ahead and give up. You can give up whether it's taking your own life or giving up whether it's just not setting goals for yourself. There's different degrees of that, guys. So stop committing suicide on your dreams and your goals. You're killing your dream before you even gave it a chance. How can you do that? You need a coach that cares, that is always there, consistent. Breathing down the back of your neck saying, have you done your goals? What have you done today to make it work? Giving you fun work assignments to keep you focused and motivated. And from the past close to now 17 years that I've been doing this, I love to see that now I'm even getting reconnected with women that remember me way back in 2006. Sally Dunhill, Brooke Gillespie Trout, Susan Lozier, all my longtime fitness friends. And then we're having new VIPs come on board. What is the point here? Is that maybe you're having a desperate, just low point in your life and you need an angel. And you're looking for some divine intervention. You're looking for some kind of sign I need a sign to work out. Well, here it is. I need a sign to stop eating bad food. Well, here it is. I need a sign to join a community of women that actually support me. Well, here's that sign. If you're looking for the sign, here it is. Your joy, it's 1,000% responsible. You are responsible for your joy 1,000%. And guess what? The funny thing is, we ourselves are actually stealing our own joy, okay? It's like this present represents your joy, right? But you're like, oh, here, please take my joy. Take it. Take everything I have in this box, which is my joy, my mental well-being, my inner peace, my goal setting, my future, and you're just giving it to nothing that doesn't even exist. You're throwing it on the floor, okay? You're just throwing it there to something that doesn't exist, which is negativity. It's all in your mind. You have the power to create your dream life. Repeat after me. I have the power to create my dream life. Also, another fun fact about this movie. Right now, the original story was called The Greatest Gift. This is a really good one. The story was by a writer who could not get his story sold. This is in 1946, guys. So what he did, he printed off 200 copies of his story and enclosed them and gave them inside with his Christmas card box to famous directors. And that's when it got into the hand of the Frank Capra Jr. And he rewrote it. And even that director was fighting for his right to be heard in the very kind of controlled directors and Hollywood circuit. And he stepped out and he created Liberty Films, which was a big thing because back then directors were looked upon as employees. He's like, forget this, I'm not an employee, I'm a director. So he got other directors and they formed Liberty Films. That was the first, and he had a big hit. He had a big hit, which was It's a Wonderful Life, guys. And I love that movie. It just gives me chills. So what is this point? My point is that you have a wonderful life. It's up to you now to make it a wonderful life. Let's do it together. Daily activities change your life. Being consistent, working out, release that dopamine, feeling great, going to bed early, waking up early, not drinking, not going out there and wasting your time. Time is so precious. Some of the most wealthiest people have said this, and I'll leave you with this, that, you lose money, you can earn it back, right? If you lose your fortune, you can always get it back. But time, you can never get back. And what you do today, you're planting seeds. You're sowing the seeds of love, starting with yourself. Put that love back on yourself. You deserve it. I'm here telling you, straighten your eyes, sober, straight up, that you can do it. I'm looking at my own life. I went from nowhere fast, raised on food stamps, emotional eater, up and down, until I cracked my own code. I want you to crack your own code. It's not cookie cutter. It's not anything that I can do. I'm going to help lead you, but it's in your court. The ball's in your court. Don't fumble that ball. Slam dunk it. All right, guys, I could be here talking all day. I'm going to see you at 8 a.m. for our It's a Wonderful Life workout. Every time a bell ring, an angel gets its wings. That's why I'm smashing this bell, because we are making angels out of my VIPs. Guys, I'm just getting chills. I love you so much. I'll see you at 8 a.m. If you're not a member, join. Your first month is $1. That's 4 quarters for 30 days. Do the math. There's no hidden fees or weird shenanigans going on. And then only $24.99 after that every month. January's a big month. New year, new you, new decade. I'm doing my 4-part webinar series that I've been doing for the past 5 years, where we break up mind, body, spirit, and then professional financial. We talk about all the areas of your life that you need to crack that success code in. So join now so you can start working on your goals for the new decade. Let's do it, guys. Really ask yourself, what's holding you back? Maybe a post-traumatic stress disorder because you joined a group before and you're like, I ain't trying to do that no more, or I don't really think I can do it. Put some faith in your stocking this holiday season. Okay? Put some faith in yourself. You see this word? It says faith. If you're wanting to know what that says, it's faith. So sometimes I got to go take some faith. And I have to give them a little wrestling move to get them going. All right, guys, I love you. I'll see you at 8 a.m. JNLVIP.com. I'm here for you. We together are going to crack these success codes. Let's go. Woo!